Welcome back to my channel, traders. Let's look at this week's analysis on NASDAQ. So before we do that, I want us to quickly look at the trades I had this week before we look at what we have for next week. So we're going to go down to 1 hour time frame because that's where I normally take my trades. So let's see. Okay, here on the 1 hour time frame, this is the trades I had for the week. This was on Tuesday. I had my buy limit here and market came very close to my entry without activating my orders, and they went to TP straight. Same thing happened on Wednesday. I didn't trade on Monday because Monday was public holiday. So on Wednesday, similar thing happened, though Wednesday's own was not that close. So on Thursday, I was able to catch this one to the sniping entry. So my SL was just there. So I hit TP. Then on Friday, the same thing happened. I caught the first entry. I caught the pullback because as of Tuesday and Wednesday, I was thinking the market was bullish, not knowing that it has turned bearish. As you can see, from this point down to this point, market has been forming higher, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, and all of that. So I tried catching this pullback because obviously it's a pullback now. On Tuesday it didn't work out, Wednesday it didn't work out, so I now had to turn to the actual trend, and I was able to catch this on Thursday. I caught this pullback also on Friday morning. I caught this buy to sell, but I don't know what happened. Probably this green candle made me feel that market will continue going up, so I didn't take the sell. I was meant to take this sell, but I didn't take it. So I waited for market to come back to my entry, which was this psychological level at 18,500, and I bought again. And then market swept off my SL, and that was it. So that was how I ended my week. I had two profits. I had two trades, and I had three trades. Two was profitable, and one was a loss. So let's quickly go back to the weekly analysis, and then let's look at what we're going to see next week. So from weekly, the candle close is a bit not really confusing, but I'm seeing a bullish run. It's about to come, but then the way this candle closed is not so convincing for the bullish run. So I'm expecting market to come back down and cover this week up. I'll probably pack this trend line properly before going back up. So this trend line will be clear on the daily time frame and the other smaller time frames. So here on the daily, we are seeing a dragonfly doji, so which shows kind of reversal, but expecting a move towards the downside to tap this trend line properly before we see an increase in price on the NASDAQ, something like this. But then I'm still going to trade what I see on the chart. Like I said last week, on the lower time frame, I was kind of bullish on the NASDAQ, but we ended up having a bearish trend. So market was somewhere here as of last weekend. So market opened and went up a bit, formed something we can call a double top, and then market started going down from that point. So for this coming week, I still have a bullish bias, whereby I've seen this engulfing on the 4-hour time frame. So if we are able to see a move, let me remove this. If we see a move to the downside from this point, something like this, it will be very, very much appreciated before we come back for this high. But if market continues going up, then I will probably look for a pullback. Let's say market comes and close something like this. If market closes above this high, if market closes above this zone rather, and then I'll look for a kind of retracement, and then we continue to the upside. So that's simply my bias for this coming week. And remember, by the way, happy new month. Remember this new week is NFP week, and probably the market won't move so much during the week until Friday. So while you are trading this new week, trade with caution. Make sure your risk management is intact. And here on the 1 hour time frame, this trend line, I think it has become so weak. We've had this is the origin. We have the second touch, which was a little accumulation, then the third touch, the fourth touch, and then this is the fifth touch. So when market taps a particular zone or a trend line over a period of time or over or for a number of times, it's likely that market will break that particular trend line. So this trend line has become weak from what we are seeing. So probably market will have to break above it by next week, something like this. But like I said already, I'm still expecting a move to the downside if possible before this happens. But whichever one that happens, we go with it. Remember, we react to what the market is doing. We don't force it to do what it doesn't want to do. So that's all. Like I said already, make sure you trade with your risk management intact. Always put your SL, always put your stop loss, and your exit is also very, very important. You can have a good entry, a good SL, but then if you don't manage your trade very well to leave when you're meant to leave, you can waste some profits. So thank you for listening. If you found this video helpful, try and like this video and also subscribe to our channel for subsequent videos.